Hey guys, happy Friday. Well, today this mama's in the kitchen and we're going to be making some chewy chocolate chip keto cookies. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's get into the video. Number one, preheat your oven to 350 degrees right now. So we're going to bake the cookies at 350. You're going to need some almond flour. 1.5 cups. You're going to need a 1/2 cup of Lily's chocolate chips. So good. Vegan, non-GMO, stevia sweetened. Next, you're going to need a 1/2 cup, 1 stick of butter. I'm using Kerrygold. 1 whole stick melted. 1/2 cup erythritol. I am using Swerve. And 1/2 cup. Apparently the secret ingredient is beef gelatin powder. 1 tablespoon. I ordered this off of Amazon. Beef gelatin powder. Supposed to make the cookies extra chewy. Throw in 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. Last ingredient, 1 egg. So we're going to take our stick of butter and we're going to throw it in a bowl. If it's not room temperature, then you'll need to go microwave it. 1 whole stick of butter in the microwave to soften it. You'll need a baking sheet and some parchment paper. So, done. This is not a part of the recipe, but I love pecans in my cookies. So I'm going to be adding some pecan chips. And I'm just going to eyeball it and throw in as much as I would like. So to this butter, I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups almond flour. One and a half. Now we're going to pour in a 1/2 cup of erythritol, which is my Swerve. And this is very, very sweet, just like the recipe says. So I'm not going to do a full 1/2 cup, maybe like that much. Now we're going to do 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now I'm going to do 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. Next ingredient, beef gelatin powder, which is supposed to be the secret ingredient to make these cookies so chewy. Tablespoon. So now I'm just going to mix it. And then we'll add 1 egg to this once I get it good and mixed. So now all I have to do is add 1 egg. And then mix this all together. Now all we have to do is add the chocolate chips. Now 1/2 cup of Lily's chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, somebody's trying to get a hold of me. Probably one of my kids. Check out that batter. Does that not look good or what? Now I'm just adding a handful of pecans. because I love them. Just to add that little extra crunch. Looks good.
Now, I'll just be scooping a little bit of the cookie dough in my hands and placing these on the parchment paper.
So I'm going to bake these at 350 for about 15 minutes, and then you'll want to let them cool for at least 20. And what I do is I freeze mine. After I have one little nibble of one cookie, I put these in a freezer lock bag and we freeze them. And so when we have a sweet tooth, we pull them out. I find that they taste the best when frozen. Super good. And since it's a cold, rainy day, there's nothing better than a small cup of keto taco soup with cheese and sour cream. So good. You guys got to make this. And then I have to give credit to Cook, Clean, and Repeat. You guys go check out her website. She's as cute as a button. I absolutely love her. She is full of wonderful ideas, not only with decorating, but her recipes. And she's the one that did the keto taco soup, and she does a lovely job of showing how to make that soup. So I didn't do that, but go check her out because I'm telling you guys that soup is the bomb.com. Let me tell you, I doubled the recipe because my family liked it so much. And the kids, they're not even on the keto diet, and they loved it. So go check that out. I'll link it below. So this is my youngest daughter, Katie. She just got home from school, and she said, "Ooh, Mom, what did you make?" And I said, "Keto chocolate chip cookies." And she went, "Are they any good?" I said, "Well, try it." So tell them, what do you think? Honest opinion.
They're really good.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
You like them?
Yeah.
Okay. Now Mama's going to taste test it. So here's the cookie. Look how nice it turned out. Let's see if it's extra chewy. Look at that. Let's taste it. This is probably the best chocolate chip keto cookie I've ever had. No joke.
I don't even think it tastes like keto either.
These are good. Guys, you got to make these. Super, super, super duper good. Don't judge. I'm having a second one. It's that good. No joke. All right, guys, this is going to do it for me today. So sorry there wasn't a decorating video, but if I'm honest with you, this mom pulled a muscle in her neck, and it is extremely sore, and my muscle is spasming. So I had to run to the doctor's this morning. Woke up at 3:30 this morning, and probably 2:30 in the morning the day before. Had no sleep because of this pain. So, and that's just par for the course. Me thinking I'm Superwoman and I can do it all, when I probably should be getting some help moving stuff. So anyway, I had to go to the doctor's this morning, and they had to put me on a muscle relaxer. So it seems to be feeling a little bit better since I took that one pill. So fingers crossed I wake up tomorrow and all is good, so I can get back at it, because I'm determined to get this done. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the cookies. I had to do this for my keto buddies because I've had so many messages like, "Can you do a recipe for us?" So this one's for you, keto guys. Anyway, I will link all the information below for Keto Connect and Cook, Clean, and Repeat. Go to their websites. They're awesome. And I would not lie to you or steer you wrong on these cookies. These are good. Super, super good. Secretly wanting another one. I'm going to have to go put those in a plastic bag and stick those in the freezer before this mama devours another one. And then that won't be good. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. If I do anything video worthy tomorrow or Sunday, I'll be sure to post it. Have a good one, guys.